today? Are you happy? Yes. You say, I'm happy. Here now, I'm happy. Let's continue to learn about Buko 1, noise on the farm, okay? But before we start the lesson, let's review about the farm animals. Ready?
Yeah.
Yes. Here now. Yes. Okay. What is it? Mimi now, what is it?
A mouse.
Okay, give it to me. It's a mouse. Here now. Here.
It's a mouse.
Next. Is
Cat.
a cat.
It's a cat.
Okay, and next.
It's a dog.
Yes, it's a dog.
It's a hen.
Mimi now. Okay,
It's a duck.
it's a duck. And what's this?
It's a bee.
Mimi now. A pig. Put your hands down. It's a pig. What is it?
It's a horse.
It's a horse. Horse. And the last one.
It's a cow.
Okay, Mimi. Mimi now. It's a cow.
A cow.
Okay, very good. Now, next pet. Who is this? Who is this? A, a baby. This is a baby. Here now.
A baby sitting.
Oh, what is baby doing?
Baby sitting.
A baby is sleeping. Good job. Mimi ơi. Mimi, tell me. What is the baby doing? A baby is sleeping. The baby is sleeping. What does a mouse do? Runs. A mouse runs.
A mouse run.
Mimi now. A mouse runs. Okay, now next page. You can see the mouse is running, right? So, what animal is chasing a mouse? Who's chasing a mouse?
Cat.
A cat runs
After the mouse.
after the mouse. Mimi now. A cat runs after the mouse. Oh, but you can see the cat steps on someone's tail. Whose tail is it? A dog's tail. The cat steps on the dog's tail. How is a dog? Angry. The dog is angry. You say, the dog is angry. Okay, now next page. And now the dog runs
After the cat.
Mimi now.
After the cat.
Okay, after the cat. A dog. Mimi, a dog runs after. Okay, very good. What is it? Egg. Egg. How many eggs are there? How many? Let's count. 1, 2. Oh, 3 eggs. 3 eggs. Oh, look at this egg. This egg is broken. Who broke the egg? The cat broke the egg? You say no. The dog broke the egg. Mimi now. The dog broke the egg. Look at the hen. How is a hen? Is she happy? No. How is a hen? Angry. The hen is angry. Okay. And next, the hen runs the dog.
After the dog.
Mimina, a hen runs after the dog.
After the dog.
Oh, you can see. She kicks the stone on the duck, on the duck's head. Oh, and the duck has a lump on his head, right? How is he? Angry. He is angry, and now he runs
After the hen.
after the hen.